Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week: Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you're back. Okay, so today I do a lot of wig coaching on my channel. So today we're doing a Wigs 101, and we are talking about everyday wig wearing tips so that you have tips to wear your wigs every day. So if that is what you're interested in, right here, it's happening, it's going, let's just get to it, okay? These are in no particular order. So the first tip is to use a wig cap. So I have, these wig caps haven't been opened yet, but there's wig caps here. You can see they come in like different shades. You find the ones that you like. Wig caps are slightly different in terms of how much elastic. Let me get a wig cap I've used quite a bit, but this part here, which is the elastic edge, some of those are wider, some of those are shorter. Sometimes it does like take a little bit for you to find a wig cap that you like, that you think fits well, that you enjoy wearing. So if you have a wig cap that you don't enjoy, I do encourage you to try a different type of wig cap. There's also like mesh wig caps. So, you know, you just have to find the one that works best for you. But wearing a wig cap every day, it helps the wig to stay clean. It helps it to be comfortable, and it also helps like friction and things like that. I do wash my wig caps. I wash them like I would wash my face masks or like my bras and things like that, like in a little, you know, those little bags, those washable bags. So I do wash my wig caps. You know, when they get ratty, just throw them away. It's just like pantyhose, okay? Although, like, who wears pantyhose anymore? We're not going there. Okay, so that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is to switch up your wigs. I know for some people, you know, they may have 1 wig, 2 wigs. Me, I have too many wigs, okay? But if you switch and rotate up your wigs either every few days or every few weeks, it does help with the longevity of the wig, keeping it nicer for longer. Also, it helps, like, you know, just switch up your style. If you were wearing your natural hair, we don't always wear our hair the exact same way every single day. So an everyday wig wearing tip is to sort of maybe switch and rotate between a few different wigs. The number 3 of an everyday wig wearing tip is to make sure that you have the proper wig cap size. And I don't mean like wig cap like this kind of wig cap. What I mean by wig cap size is this mesh wig cap in the wig. Some companies like this cap. Some companies will give you sizes. I do have a video coming up or already on my Wigs 101 about how to figure out what your head size is, what your wig cap size is. Depending on the wig size and if it's adjusted properly, it could be too tight, it could be too loose, then you could have it be slipping, which would make it not only uncomfortable, but you'd feel a little bit nervous. You can get some itchiness. There's different types of lace. I have all kinds of videos on that. I will link those down below so that you're getting the proper wig cap for your needs and your preferences. Number 4, and this may not, a lot of people may not agree with me. I agree with me. That's why I'm sharing it. Number 4 is to avoid gluing your wigs down if possible. I'm speaking solely on synthetic wigs. I'm not talking about human hair wigs, but in general, the more you glue your wig down and pull your wig back up and glue your wig down and pull it up, you are really weakening the lace. It's going to be more prone to tearing. And that is going to ruin your wig immediately if that happens. Number 5 is to avoid sleeping in your wig. I don't usually sleep in my wig. I have slept in it because I've been in situations where I wasn't planning on not taking my wig off, but for whatever reason, I was unable to do that. So I avoid doing that for a few reasons. First of all, it's going to make it so you need to wash it more often because it's like going to get sweaty. It's not really that comfortable, and it does tug and pull on your wig and the lace and everything more than it would if you were just wearing it normally. Number 6 is to store it on a wig head. I have these, I painted this, but I have these foam wig heads that I used to use. Now I use these mannequin heads to store my wigs. It does help because it keeps the wig in shape. It also keeps the wig less tangle free than just like chucking it. I used to just chuck them anywhere. Then I have to go through the whole thing of detangling them and this, that, and the other thing. So storing them on the wig head will really help keep the shape and the longevity of the wig. And number 7, which is our last tip today, is to use either a wide tooth comb or a detangling comb to avoid snagging the fibers. So I use this brush, which is from Conair. I also use this wide tooth detangling comb. That helps it just so because you're not like snagging the fibers, it's just going to go through. I have a whole video on how to detangle a wig in general. You always want to start from the bottom and work up, which seems a little bit counterintuitive, but I can link that video down below as well. So those are just 7 quick everyday wig wearing tips. If you have some tips, please put them down below and we can share and build like a whole big list. Okay. If you have any other questions about wigs, please put them down below and I'm happy to answer them. If you may want to check out my Wigs 101 or my wig tips playlist, I do have a lot of videos already filmed on different topics, so you can check those out. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!